Hi, I'm Neil from Tuck, and today we're going to take a look at the Avocado Green Pillow. Avocado is a company that makes green and eco-conscious mattresses and bedding. Their products are natural, organic, vegan, hypoallergenic, and contain no polyfoams. They're great for the earth, but are they good for you? Let's put it to the test and find out. If you find these videos helpful, let us know by liking and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's get started. The Avocado Pillow comes in 3 sizes: standard, queen, and king. I spent some time with the standard model, which is 19 inches by 24 inches and weighs 3.7 pounds. All of the materials used in construction meet the Global Organic Textile Standard. The cover is 100% organic certified cotton. The fill consists of 100% natural and organic kapok fibers and 100% organic certified latex shreds that were upcycled from the same latex they use in their mattresses. That sounds like fancy marketing speak for mattress scraps, but it makes sense for a green company to want to minimize waste. The zipper on the side allows you to remove or add filling to your liking, but it can get kind of messy, much more than other fills that I've experienced. The fibers stick to your hands and your clothes, and some of it always manages to get airborne. Unlike other adjustable fill pillows, the Avocado Pillow comes in its own sack, which becomes a handy storage bag for any extra stuffing you remove. One big downside to the pillow is that it's spot clean only. Stains should be spot cleaned with a damp cloth and then air dried and not put into a washing machine. When I first touched this pillow, I noticed how soft the cotton cover was. I laid down on it first using all of the fill provided as it was delivered. I found the pillow very conforming. My head sunk right in but never bottomed out. The fill compressed to form a pretty good support layer. The loft of the pillow with all of the provided fill was about 6 inches, and the pillow had a medium plush feel overall. I experimented with various amounts of fill, and you can definitely feel the difference between fill levels. As a heavier combination sleeper, I discovered my happy medium with about 3/4 of the fill. It gave me a nice medium loft to go with that medium plush feel. Being a conforming pillow, it did trap some heat, but it did feel cooler than other foam pillows due to the latex build and fill promoting good airflow. The latex is more responsive than other foams and makes it easy to change positions, something I appreciate as a combination sleeper. I found the fill to be adaptable and moldable. The pillow doesn't fight to reset its shape, which allows for easy mid-evening adjustments. It should be great for pillow huggers, snugglers, and those who sleep with a pillow between their legs. Regular fluffing may be necessary to bring it back to its full shape, but no more than other foam fill pillows. I really like this pillow. It's very soft and very comfortable, easy to snuggle at night, but the foam fill on the inside, it will get everywhere. So be careful when you're taking the fluff out of this thing. So who is this pillow good for? We found that the adjustable fill on the Avocado Pillow really lets you dial in your preferences. It should work really well for all side and back sleepers. While stomach sleepers can remove fill to find their ideal loft, they may experience clumping or unevenness if they remove too much. Bottom line, this is one of the most healthy, chemical-free pillows that you can buy anywhere, at any price. So if you're looking for an eco-friendly option, it's a no-brainer. Here's some additional information if you're thinking about purchasing an Avocado Pillow. They offer a 100-night sleep trial, free shipping, and a 1-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts, check the description below or tuck.com. Thanks for watching our Avocado Pillow review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like a personalized recommendation. Check out our website tuck.com and follow us on social media. We're always doing awesome giveaways and sharing the latest in sleep news. Sleep well, everybody.